Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I am super excited to give you this video. Hey guys, before we get started, make sure you like the video, hit the like button and the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here, guys. We're going to be talking today about the Millionaire Mailer. The Millionaire Mailer and what's possible with this program. Great things are happening. And guys, we want to invite you to come along for the ride. I'm telling you what, guys, if you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can win in these programs. Unlimited, 25, 50, 100, 250. $500 payments to your mailbox. I'm going to show you a gigantic payment that just came in. But before we go there, guys, I want to invite you to the call tonight. We have a call, a Millionaire Mailer call, every Tuesday night. And we've been having it for the last 6 years. Every Tuesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern time. And that is 6 p.m. Pacific time. Guys, I'm going to show you this miracle that is generating the payments for us, guys. The Millionaire Mailer. This is what just came in. Let me show you what came in. I want to welcome Randy to the program. Just came through PayPal. Guys, 15 hours ago from the time I'm recording the video. Welcome, Randy, to the program. Send it straight to PayPal, $500. He joined one of our members at the $1,000 level. Welcome, Randy, to the program. We're excited to have you as part of the Millionaire Mailer. Guys, this is happening over and over and over again, and I'll show you how to do it. And of course, income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action, and you do it over and over and over again. Guys, this is not only happening on a daily basis, guys, on a weekly basis, guys. We're having $500,000 payments coming on a daily basis, guys. Just following these videos, guys, you can learn how to do this stuff, but you do it over and over and over again. You can't do it just one time. You do it over and over and over and over again. Again, income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action. The Millionaire Mailer, guys, is incredible. It is a product-driven service, value, the postcards. We want to offer value to all of our members. We want to offer positivity that you can get things done, that you can accomplish your dreams, that your future is ahead of you. Can you mail a flyer or a postcard? I'm going to walk you around the website, guys. You can get a website with this program. I'll show you the website that you can potentially get with the program. Very exciting. We have levels from $25 up to $1,000 you can join. You can join the $25 level, the $50 level, the $100. You can join the $250. $500, $1,000 level. Let me show you guys I'm going to do some teaching and training, guys. Give me about 10 more minutes in this video. You can utilize it in the Millionaire Mailer or any other program that you're currently a part of. We're on Sam Randall's website, guys. I believe Sam bought that selling, guys. Congratulations to Sam. Guys, look at this. The Millionaire Mailer, guys. How to make, and I'll put Sam's link below the video, how to make $500 to $1,000 a week mailing simple flyers. Now, if you're researching the Millionaire Mailer, guys, get back with the person that referred you. Whoever referred you to this program, get with them and get all your questions answered. You can join the Millionaire Mailer, guys, making $200 to $500 a day mailing a simple flyer, guys. As you can see, guys, we just had a $500 payment come in. And that's just one person. They ain't counting what happened during the mail. Again, guys, we're having a conference call tonight. Get on that call, guys. You can join the $100 level and receive all the lower levels free. And that's any level that you join, guys. You can join the 100, the 250, the 500, and you can get all that level and all the lower levels absolutely free, which is an incredible value. We're going to go over the products, guys. We're going to talk about the products in just a minute and the value that you get. You can get this website Sam's got, or you can get a website like Mary Beth's got, this website right here. And it shows people they can get unlimited 25, 50, 250. We're going to watch the video, guys, for a minute and see what you think, guys. Choose these levels of participation and go from there. It's just that simple. Let's open it up, guys. Let me show you the products real quick, and then I'll go to the video and we'll finish up. Guys, here are the products, guys. You're going to get a marketing kit, a physical marketing kit. This is the product. You're going to get the kit. It's going to have startup instructions, your copy of the flyer, your name and number one position. You're going to have leads that you can use for the Millionaire Mailer or any other program that you're mailing. And then you can be off to the races, guys. When you have a website, guys, you can also mail a postcard. This is what some postcards look like. Look at this postcard, guys. $200 to $500 a day. And it will go to your Millionaire Mailer website. What an incredible value. We can hook you up with it, guys. Let's get you on the plan to success. Get a hold of the member that referred you to the program. If nobody referred you, you'll send the video for the first time. Get a hold of me or whoever you can and get started, guys. The next 10 years looks extremely bright for the Millionaire Mailer. We are bringing in payments, guys, on a daily basis. It is growing leaps and bounds. Guys, there are millions of people out there that need to hear our messages. We want to get financial freedom. Help somebody else. Zig Ziglar said, help enough people in life get what they want, and you can have everything in life that you want. Let's look at a video, a piece of this video, guys, and we're going to close the video out. Absolutely powerful stuff, folks. Look at this Millionaire Mailer video for a second, and I'm going to close out. Hey, guys, the Millionaire Mailer relaunch of the high levels, the 4, 5, and 6, especially, guys, the level 5 and 6, which is the $500 level and the $1,000 level. Folks, people are getting so excited about these programs. If you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can make money with these programs. They are turnkey simple. We had an incredible conference call last night, and we're so excited about what we're seeing. The results are unprecedented, guys. We believe this program is going to be great for many years to come. Guys, the conference call does the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. Guys, let me show you some proof real quick, and I'll talk a little bit more about the Millionaire Mailer. Again, guys, unlimited, $25, $50, $100, $250, $500, even $1,000 cash payments. Guys, our member just made $1,000 sale. Folks, this is some real stuff. Could not be more excited about what we got going on with the Millionaire Mailer. Great things are happening. Guys, we can help you explode your income. Get a hold of us. Let us help you get to where you want to be in direct mail. Which is the Millionaire Mailer 5 and 6, guys. People are coming in droves in these programs, and we're excited about that. Guys, I tell you, I tell people all the time, if you don't believe people will join these high levels, guys, open up your understanding, because they are doing it, and they're doing it on a daily basis. They're seeing that, big ticket commission is where is that, folks. When you start receiving $250, $500, $1,000 payments, guys, your belief system will skyrocket, and that's what we want you to do. This is 2-day priority mail out on the other day. So here we go, guys. Proof there. This is priority mail package and priority express mail, and we just received this the other day. All right, and let's see if we can get it opened up right here on live for you, guys. This again can become your reality. So let's see what we got inside. Guys, this is incredible. These programs are absolutely working. Guys, this is another sign up. One of our numbers, Millionaire Mailer number 5. Guys, that is Millionaire Mailer 5. One of our members made a $500 sale. So I'm going to cover this person's information. See it, guys. 6/28 is the date on the money order. 6/28. And there we go. There's another $500 payment, guys. Millionaire Mailer is just exploding, folks. There's no time like now to get involved with the Millionaire Mailer.
Hi there, everybody. This is Mary Beth Angelelli here with the Millionaire Mailer. So I have...
There's Mary Beth right here in the corner, guys.
4 packages.
4 packages.
Okay, I have these 2 envelopes right here. And we have this one right here, priority. And we have another priority right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open these up real quick. Let's see what we have inside. And this is just, more validation Okay, we have a $100 money order made payable to me, and this is from Mercy. So I would like to welcome Mercy to the team and thank you very much, folks. Here is the first in the amount of $100. Okay, here is number 204. All right, addressed to me. As you can see, that is me, and that is my address. So go ahead and open this up here. This is for level 1, and as you can see, folks, this is more evidence that this program produces residually here. As you can see, I did not mail this flyer. Okay, my name is in the number 2 position. This flyer was sent by Cheryl, and as a result, I received a wonderful residual payment in the amount of $25. Okay, as you can see here, we're up by $125 thus far. Okay, and we have 2 more to go. Okay, so this is another envelope here. So we're going to just go ahead and slowly and carefully open this up. Let's see what we have. Wow. Now this is something I was anticipating from Jerry. This is actually an upgrade. Jerry upgraded. And you can absolutely get started where you are, folks. Get in where you fit in. You can always move up. You can always upgrade. And of course, when you do, you're going to be able to leverage even more levels and, of course, increase your earning potential significantly. Because Jerry now is upgraded. And look, he sent me a money order in the amount of $500. You can see that right there, folks. This is a wonderful money order. Thank you very much.
Another $500 money order, guys.
$500 from Jerry.
That,
so thank you.
over and over and over again, $500 payments, guys. That's a sweet spot. Let me tell you what, folks. People are really seeing the value in the Millionaire Mailer. They're coming in at these $1,000 levels. They're coming in at $500 levels, guys. And if you want to make them, guys, you get the system. You mail the flyer or the postcard, and you do it over and over and over again. This $500 level is resonating with people.
Thus far, that's 3.
Incredible.
And we have 1 more package to go. It looks like we have another envelope with my information on it. So let's see what we have here. This is from Kay. So thank you very much, Kay. Wanted to let you know that I received your information. And wow, folks, Millionaire Mailer 6. This is our top level. Okay. There we go. There is the flyer. Now, what does this mean, folks? This means that inside there should be $1,000.
$1,000 payment, folks.
Here's an envelope.
Look at this. Incredible.
Indeed, we do have 2 money orders. These are for $500 apiece. And let me show you.
2 $500 money orders.
Okay, there is $500. Okay, and here is the second one for $500, totaling $1,000 from Kay in Maryland. Thank you so much. Welcome to the team. And all these new members are going to be receiving their complete marketing packages in the mail to set them up for success. Again, if you work this amazing program, as you can clearly see, folks, I can't make this up. This is as real as it gets. This is real proof, real results. 2 money orders here, folks, $500 each, $1,000. We have a third money order here for $500. That's $1,500. We have another money order here, which is number 4 for $100, and we have a 5th money order here in the amount of $25. So simple math, folks, 5, 10, 15, 16, 16, 25, $1,625 has been generated in the past 2 days from my marketing efforts with the Millionaire Mailer. This is 4 years later. Fast forward, this program is still working. It's still going strong, folks, and it can do the exact same thing for you. All right.
Incredible.
This is live. Okay, so
As Ontarians get ready to share another $500 money order, you know Ontarian's awesome in all that he does.
there's my name again right
Let's see what
there.
he says real quick.
And Leroy from to the team, my friend. Welcome to the team. Let's see what we got. Does the Millionaire Mailer still work? Yes, it does, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so there's the flyer right there. You see that? The Millionaire Mailer 5.
Incredible, folks.
That means that this young man, this guy, he joined at the $500 level.
Look at that, folks.
See that? So he joined.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. All right, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. And bye for now until the next video. Get back with the person who referred you or get with me and we'll get you started. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now until the next video.